Did you know that Americans eat 100 acres of pizza every day? That's over 300 billion pizzas a year. But have you ever wondered how this simple dish became a global sensation? Let's take a journey through time to uncover the incredible history of pizza. Our story begins over 2,000 years ago, not in Italy, but in ancient civilizations like Egypt, Greece, and Persia. People would bake flatbreads topped with oils, herbs, and cheese, but this was just the beginning. Fast forward to the 1700s in Naples, Italy. Here, the modern pizza as we know it was born. The poor working-class people needed cheap and tasty food. Vendors started adding tomatoes, cheese, and herbs to flatbreads, creating the first true pizzas. In 1889, Queen Margherita of Italy visited Naples and was served a special pizza with red tomatoes, white mozzarella, and green basil, the colors of the Italian flag. She loved it so much that it was named after her, Pizza Margherita. In the early 1900s, Italian immigrants brought pizza to America. The first pizzeria, Lombardi's, opened in New York in 1905, forever changing American food culture. After World War II, American soldiers returning from Italy craved pizza. It quickly became popular across the U.S., leading to the rise of pizzerias everywhere. The 1960s saw the birth of fast food pizza giants. Domino's, Pizza Hut, and Little Caesars revolutionized how people ordered and ate pizza. Today, the biggest day for pizza orders in America is Super Bowl Sunday. Millions of pizzas are delivered in just one night. From New York's thin crust to Chicago's deep dish, every region in America has its own twist on pizza. Pizza isn't just an American favorite, it's a global obsession. In Japan, you'll find squid pizza, while in Brazil, they love banana and chocolate pizza. In the 1950s, frozen pizza became a game changer, making it easier for families to enjoy pizza at home. With the rise of the internet, pizza ordering became even easier. Today, apps and AI help deliver hot pizza straight to your door in minutes. Would you pay $12,000 for a pizza? Some luxury pizzas come topped with gold flakes, truffles, and caviar. The largest pizza ever made was over 13,000 square feet. It took dozens of chefs to prepare this massive masterpiece. The future of pizza delivery is here. Robots and drones are starting to replace traditional pizza delivery methods. Even astronauts crave pizza. In 2001, a pizza was delivered to the International Space Station. Pizza lovers love a challenge. From the 10-pound pizza challenge to the fastest pizza eating contests, the competition is fierce. From Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles to movies and TV shows, pizza has become an iconic part of pop culture. With rising health awareness, new trends like cauliflower crust and plant-based cheese are making pizza healthier than ever. What's next for pizza? With 3D-printed pizzas, lab-grown cheese, and AI-driven recipes, the future of pizza looks exciting. From its humble origins to a multi-billion-dollar industry, pizza has conquered the world. What's your favorite kind of pizza? Let us know in the comments.